fresh orange juice sunshine sipper. Cheers to your new home, or if you're searching for a new home, to the home we find. One of the best perks about owning a Florida home is walking outside and picking sun-kissed oranges right from your own tree. Whether you're celebrating your new backyard harvest or daydreaming about the perfect home with citrus trees, here's a refreshing drink recipe that's perfect for any occasion. We'll start with the non-alcoholic sunshine sipper. The ingredients are 3 to 4 fresh oranges, juiced, 1 teaspoon of honey or agave, optional if you like it sweeter, sparkling water or club soda, ice cubes, orange slices for garnish. Now our instructions. Squeeze your fresh oranges until you've got about 1 cup of juice. Stir in honey or agave until dissolved. Fill a glass with ice and pour in your orange juice. Top it off with sparkling water for a bubbly kick. Garnish with an orange slice. Kick back on your patio and enjoy that I've officially made it homeowner feeling. Now, spiked sunshine sipper, which is the adult-only version. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh orange juice, about 3 to 4 oranges. 1 shot of vodka, rum, or tequila. Pick your favorite. 1 teaspoon honey or agave, optional. Sparkling water or prosecco. Ice cubes, orange slice or sprig of mint for garnish. And your instructions: juice your fresh oranges and stir in your honey or agave if desired. Pour into a cocktail shaker with ice and your spirit of choice. Shake well. Strain into a tall glass with ice. Top with sparkling water or Progresso if you're feeling fancy. Garnish and toast to your sweet Florida living. Don't have your dream home with your orange tree just yet? No worries, I've got you covered. You can browse homes here at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or you can tour some homes here on YouTube, Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. Because let's be honest, fresh orange juice tastes even better when it's from your backyard tree. Don't forget to subscribe and for more home buying tips and treats. Margaret Klein, signing off.